Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PropStream for prospecting motivated seller leads, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the PropStream website. Log into your PropStream account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the property search feature. Set your search criteria to target motivated sellers. Select your preferred location using the map tool or by entering a specific area. Utilize the filter options to narrow down your results. Look for distressed properties by selecting categories such as pre-foreclosure or vacant homes. Adjust the property value range if needed to focus on lower-priced homes. Make sure to apply filters related to the ownership status, such as absentee owners. Review the results displayed on the map and in the list view. Click on properties that interest you for detailed information. Take note of the property details such as equity, owner information, and mortgage status. Add the properties you're interested in to a list for easy access later. Utilize the list feature to organize your prospects. Export your chosen properties into a CSV file if necessary for further analysis. Use the built-in marketing tools to reach out to potential sellers. Create an email campaign or select direct mail options to contact your leads. Keep track of your outreach efforts and responses within the platform. Adjust your search criteria based on feedback and results as needed. Continue to refine your prospecting strategy using PropStream's various features. Regularly check for new motivated seller leads by revisiting your search. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.